Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 7 and today I would like to show you how you can install and then apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, just access Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in Magic Fluids and install this free app from Mad Scientist developer. When it's ready, click on Open. Now you need to click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and tap on Settings. Then choose I accept in the pop-up. From here you can adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to and click on the top right corner. Now select bottom one again, but this time choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Over here you need to click on Apply and choose Confirm. Then when I click Home button, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!